Hey everybody, welcome to Jable's Outdoors. Today I'm going to be unboxing the motorcycle wheel balancer. You will see what we're going to be using it for. We're going to be balancing snowmobile clutches with this thing. It was just an idea we had, and stay tuned. We're going to show you what this thing's all about. Alright, so off the burn there's a Rick's Performance sticker that you can use. It's right in this flap here. Check that out. This would be the centering device. Shaft. Got other parts in here. So you can see all the parts here. You can true a wheel, you can balance a wheel, and you can check bearings. Pretty neat setup if that's what you're using it for, is for motorcycle wheels, but again we're using this for snowmobile clutches. Alright, so there it is all put together. You can see the nice bearings. I believe they're greaseless. You got the centering shaft here, balance shaft, that spins on those bearings. And then you mount whatever you're mounting, a motorcycle rim or snowmobile clutch, whatever it is you're trying to balance. And the heavy point's just going to roll to the bottom, and you'll know what side's the heavy side. Thanks for watching.